Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset Binance 2FA using Google Authenticator. So let's get started. So here we are in Binance right here. So we're going to open our Binance app from here, and then what you want to do here is that tap on your profile or the Binance icon right here on the top left of your screen, and then from here you want to go into tapping your profile picture right there, and from here tap security. And from here, you want to go for the Authenticator app. And then as you can see, I have mine installed already on my account. But since we want to reset this, then what you can do is that you can go and delete this. Press the trash can icon, and then you want to remove this one right here, or you can also just edit this if you want to. So you want to change the Authenticator app verification and so on right here. Then you can just press continue, and then you would need to provide the code or the code that is sent to your authenticator right there, but we'll just remove this and just install it again because it's easy anyway. So in this case, I'll just go for this one, copy that, and then I'm gonna go here and paste that right here. So now it has been removed, so now I can enable this again, so it would be like a reset. So I'm gonna go enable that, and all I have to do is copy this right here and then go back to my authenticator and just press the plus sign and enter a setup key right here, and then go for the account name, let's say Binance 2. So this would be our new reset code right here, and I'm just gonna paste the key that we have just copied right here and tap add, and now we have this right here. So we're gonna go back into Binance, and then from here, as you can see, you have three options. So you have two options right here. You have the QR or the code. So since we have chosen the code, now we can tap on next and just paste the code that we have copied from the authenticator right here, and then just submit. Actually, it's wrong right here. Just copy this Binance right here in the authenticator. Sorry for that. And allow paste right there and tap submit. And now there we go. We have now the authenticator app again. It has now been reset. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.